Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the best 4x4ing forum page YouTube channel in the whole entire world. No, I'm joking. We really aren't. I really am not. I just bought a 4x4 and I think I know what I'm doing, kind of, maybe. So last time we worked on the Pajero, I was with my mates from Daily Driven Jeeps. Link will be up over here. I'll make the thing pop, and down below we did a whole bunch of maintenance stuff that a vehicle of this age would need. Your CV boots, the upper lower ball joints, a lot of suspension settings, and I guess suspension stuff, really, suspension steering related, perishable things. We basically did, well, not we, me, he just filmed me work, completely refurbished everything. And the next thing on the upgrade list, well, this is actually the first mod for the Pajero. So what it is I'm going to be showing you guys how to install 7-inch Jeep LED headlights into your 97 Gen 2 Pajero. Stay tuned, guys. These things are going to look absolutely sick. I am so stoked to get them on. Let's turn you around and show you guys exactly what we're going to try and do. It's going to be good. So obviously this is a 97, which is fairly old. I mean, it's what, 22? No, way older. It's 2 years older than me, 24. So it's one more year and this becomes a classic. So these headlights are quite tired. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you the headlight now. I'm going to turn them on and you're going to see them while we're inside the barn here. This is a nice light and it's overcast outside. So let me quickly turn the lights on. Something along the lines of this. There we go. YouTube magic. No, not you. Shh, Rover, no. So anyway, as you guys can see, they aren't great. Honestly, they are really average. They look cool, don't get me wrong. They give this car the old classic vibe. But you need to see it at night when you're driving. Especially if we're going to hitting some gnarly 4x4ing trails. Towing Land Cruisers and Jeeps out of things. Lol. Anyway, so this is what it looked like before. So I think we're going to start wiring those bad boys in. And let's see how they look afterwards. Let me show you what we're going to do, how we're going to get these in. So first things first, guys. Let's pop the hood. See, there it is. Ah, it's ready to open. Nice. Nice, that's one up. It's going to be a bit of a mission to get this up on one hand, but let's see if I can. Use my head. There we go, that's getting there. Come on. Come on, this is going to be very hard. I'm going to try, see what I can do here. This is going to be a very awkward thing for you guys to watch. I do apologize. But we're in. Nice, okay. Second thing is we're going to take off these cowling / covering of the headlights. So let's do the right hand side first and let's take that out and see what we're going to do. So we need some screwdrivers, literally star screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. So let's quickly take this off, put you on a stand, send it. So as you guys can see, I am struggling with this bolt here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a hacksaw. I am going to cut it. Then I'm going to use it flat. Let's quickly get it out. So after struggling for I don't even know how long that's been, I literally cannot get this this little screw out. So what I'm going to do is just take off this whole grill out as a whole. It's 1, 2, another one there. Hopefully I can get that out. 3, 4, 5, well, yeah, six more bolts to get out. And then we're going to take this whole front grill off. Then we have access to the headlights. So let's get that done ASAP. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One grill off of a Gen 2 Pajero. Wasn't too hard. Doing some inspection over here. That looks like somehow got a little bit, I don't know, somehow dented. But anywho, besides the point, this is the front of it. Honestly, I am shocked at how clean this car is. Like, it just doesn't make any sense how clean this car is. It doesn't make sense at all. I mean, it's got bloody washer, it's got these washer lines for these lights that I need to obviously reinstall, as you can see. So that will be a future problem. But I mean, for a 90s car with this amount of insane technology in that, but it's honestly crazy. So looks like, let's do the right hand light first. I'm literally gonna take off the housing here, leave the adjusters exactly where they are, and yeah, take the ring off, put the new light in, and send it. We'll wire up the daytime running light a little bit later. Let's just put it in and see how it looks. So as you guys can see, the ring is off, and oh, I love making myself struggle. I mean, these bolts, as you can see, are, yeah, they are not clean. They probably haven't come off. I don't think these headlights have, I don't think this car has been in the States or front of it removed like this since it was probably manufactured, to be in all honesty. But relatively easily coming apart. Just obviously the bolts and that you just have to make a plan with some like screwdriver heads. This one is a lot more sharper than my old screwdrivers, so just things like that. What I was thinking as well is, because the headlights are black, this also need to spray black. So I've got some black spray paint, so we're gonna just give this a bit of a clean just now, spray these black, because then when it goes on all together, it will be black on black, and then it will just look clean. So I think we're gonna do that instead of leaving a chrome. I'll have a look at photos and decide from there. But all you need to do now is unclip this, and then we have the headlight unit free. Let's quickly unclip that. The connectors are exactly the same, except for the daytime running. I'm gonna have to wire up, but literally grab the connector, turn it around, and plug her in. Now, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the headlight like so. And it actually has locating, oh, it's got locating holes as well, so that's amazing. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Just gonna put you guys in front of the Pajero, then put the lights on and see how it looks. Okay guys, lights are coming on right now. So I'm gonna first do parks, and then we're gonna do full lights. Okay, nothing yet. No lights or parks yet. So I think what I might be able to do is actually take the signal from there that it comes on with parks. That might be an idea. Let's put the lights on. So as you can see, we wired in the one and nothing happened. I think it might have something to do with some sort of imbalance thing with the LEDs that both need to be in sequence, something like that. So let's take off the right-hand side, left-hand side, and see if we get any luck there. Looks like the time-lapse stopped recording, but guys, I say hello to the new lights. Oh my soul. So this is with just the... So this is my normal driving lights, like I said. So I'll hardwire it in. Hello, cat. So what I can do is I can actually show you, I'll put them in now, is I can literally disconnect one wire and then it's just daytime runnings. So let me quickly put them in properly and I'll show you guys how they look. But man, I am stoked. So basically what happened here, guys, was I was trying to wire in these headlights, and because it works off a negative and positive swap, I just couldn't get my low beams and high beams working independently. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did coming up in the video now. Wow, okay guys, I am in love. Oh my goodness, look at this. The camera doesn't do it justice, but man, let me just see if I can pan it over here. Jeepers, that looks insane. No ways. Okay, we're gonna have to turn the lights off so I can show you guys. So if you come closer, I don't know if the camera will maybe pick it up then. Not really though. So because these top ones here are the daytimes. I don't know if you can see over there. Yeah, there we go. And then the middle one is just your normal lights. So I can go behind over here and unplug one wire, and that will give me just daytime runnings. But I mean, I don't mind driving around like that because that looks insane. That is so cool. Let's get the grill on and then see how it looks. So guys, we are back in the Pajero. It is currently 6 minutes past 8 and the LEDs are installed. These are the brights, which aren't too bad, and these are normal. So not too much of a difference, to be honest with you, but definitely a lot better than stock lights. 110%. I will show you a before and after as soon as we get home. I took a video or photo, or I'll take a photo and a video as soon as I get back home, but they are way brighter. Like I can even see on the camera how much brighter they look, and I'm definitely going to put a couple of spots in between them as well. So we'll see the befores and afters in a bit. So these are before lights, before the LEDs. This is your normal beams, low beams. That's high beams, normal, high. So I'm going to show you the after in a bit. Right guys, we are here. This is what we did the last time. These are normal beams and these are high beams. Normal, high. Way better, way better. I'll show you some outside footage in a bit. So this is how they looked before. I can't obviously show you a high or low beam because it's just me, but yeah, that's a before. Show you after now. And as you can see, they are way bright outside as well, and they just look insane. Definitely an important mod when you're buying an older vehicle that has older non-LED lights. They're mad, honestly. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel again. I guess I'm basically just following up from the video that you saw. It wasn't last night, it was the night before. Yes. So it is Saturday and I'm basically just doing an outro and just showing you guys how insane these lights actually look. They look incredible, and yeah, I'm super stoked with the way they came out. As you can see, there's definitely an improvement of lighting wise, as you saw in the befores and afters, and they just look so much better in the Pajero. I mean, it just modernizes the car in so many ways. Let me see if I can focus on the lights. There we go. I mean, it just looks incredible. And with that being said, I think that's just going to wrap up today's video. Okay, there was a lot of things that went wrong and that did go right, but I think we did a pretty decent job. Nothing too hard. Wiring was alright. There might be dirt on my face. I do apologize. We're cleaning the Pajero. I went for a little bit of a send today in the mud. Was such, wow. Like, I'm still so impressed with this car. But that'll be another video for another time. I do have COVID, which is very shit. I got tested today, tested positive. So You might be seeing some more videos coming out next 2 weeks odd, maybe daily vlogs, who knows. But as always, guys, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love the support. Love what everyone's saying about everything. And I just can't wait to just getting back into this more regularly. As always, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys on the next one.